Okay, step number 5, adding tangent edge remove. Tangent edge remove. This is step number 5. Let's go and see what does that mean. Okay, so as you can see for this isometric view, that this model has like lines. Okay, these lines in the real life is not you cannot see these lines. What are these lines? If we have a rounded surface connected to flat surface, they will make like a line, because these two surfaces are not on the same page. Okay, so this is rounded and this is flat, so they will make like a line. These lines called tangent edge. For example, this is also a surface, flat surface with rounded surface. They will make a tangent edge. So these edges you will not see it in the real life after we manufacture this model. So we have to make them disappeared. So how can I do that? Okay, if we click on the isometric, then right click, then we have here something called tangent edge. Okay, do it again. Just I want you to see what happens when I click here. So click here anywhere, right click, then tangent edge remove. Just see what will happen to the isometric view. You see, all these lines has disappeared, because in the real life they are not, you will not see them. Okay, but here you can show them. Okay, or you can neglect them, but we have to delete them, because they are not in the real life, they are not you will not see them. Okay, I have also to remove them from the front and the top and the right. What should I do? Right click on the front, then tangent edge remove. See what happen? Some lines have been disappeared. Okay, I have to make to do that for the front. Also, I have to right click anywhere in the right, tangent edge remove. You see, some lines have been disappeared, which are the tangent edges. Now I have to go here, right click, tangent edge remove. You see, you can do them like this, or you can press on control and click here and click here and click here, these three views together, then right click. Okay, then go tangent edge remove. He will make it to all of them in one time. Okay, so you can do it separately, or just by pressing on control and choosing the front and the right and the top, then right click tangent edge remove. He will do it together to these views. Okay, so this is the step number 5, tangent edge remove. Okay, step number 6, we have to add something called center lines and center marks. We have to add something called center lines and center marks. So what is the center lines? If we have from the right we have a triangle. Okay, and this is a right view for us, a cylinder. Okay, we have to add center line in the middle. Okay, we have to add center line in the middle. Okay, this is if we see a rectangle with a center line in the middle, that means this is a cylinder. This is a cylinder. Okay, if you see a rectangle with a center line in the middle, so we can see that this is a cylinder. Okay, so you have to add the center line for any cylinder. Okay, and center mark, as you can see, this is the center mark. The center marks are related to any circles. Okay, related to any circles, we have to make a center mark for these circles. Let's do that together in the SolidWorks. So as you can see, for example, if we delete the suppose that it's for in our example, it's here, the center mark is here, so we don't have to add the center mark, but sometimes maybe you will not find it, so you have to add it. You have to add the center mark. How can I do that? Okay, first of all, find any circle in the view. We have this circle. Okay, so click on the circle, the smaller one, not the bigger one, the smaller one, then add center mark. He will add it to you. Okay, he will add it to you. Again, delete. Suppose it's not existed. Suppose it's not existed. Okay, first of all, you have to choose the circle, the smaller one, not the bigger one, the smaller one. Okay, then click on the center mark. He will add it to you. Okay, now, is this center mark, is the center just only for this circle? Okay, or it includes the upper circle? It includes the upper circle. So you can just drag any of these squares, click here and drag it to the up. Again, if it doesn't work with you, escape, click again on this center mark, then drag the square, escape, click again. If it doesn't work, okay, just make that to the left, make that to the left, to the down, okay, and make that to the right. Okay, now we add a center mark. So do we have any circle here? No, so we don't have center mark. Do we have any circles here? Yeah, we have 3 circles, and they have center marks. So we don't need to add center mark here. Okay, now we have to add center lines. First of all, you click on the front, then add center line. Okay, then click on select view. You have to select on that, very important. Click on select view. So choose first of all the front. So he added center lines for the holes. Then click here also. You see, he added center lines here and added center line here. Then you have to click on the top. So we have center line here. Should I add center mark and center lines for the isometric? No, keep it as is. Okay, then click on check. So here we added the center marks, and we had added the center lines, as we can see. Okay, so this is step number 6, and let's talk about step number 7 and 8 in the next video. Thank you very much.